This is a video on how to create a chi-square report in Progress and Outcomes P&O app. Once you logged into our P&O app, please go to Start a New Assessment and create a name for the assessment you're about to do. Click Next. Here you have to choose your data source. You can either log into Aceba Web and import your assessed persons there, or you can import from a data file like an Excel file, or you can go into an assessment that you've already done and you already have your assessment data already imported and you want to use the same data source. You can go here. Also know that for every ANOVA report or chi-square report, you have to have at least 50 people, 50 assessed persons to be able to import into this app. So for this example, for this video, I am going to import an Excel file. Select the file. It's going to take a moment for it to load all that data. Okay, now all of the 80 people that I have been imported. And you can check to make sure they're all there. I have 80 of 80. Click Continue. And now choose chi-square. And here you create names for your services. So I'm going to create Group 1 and Group 2. And if you need to add more services, just click on the plus button and click Next. And now that we've imported our data, it's now locked. We now need to assign clients to services. On this page, you need to assign your clients to the services that you created. So on the right hand side, you can use the drop down and choose the service. If you see that all of your assessed persons has the same service on the same page, you can actually go to Select All and assign to the service for the entire page. Once you have assigned all the services to all of your assessed people, please click on Continue to Assessment Home. And now we need to assign date numbers to forms. This will be the most time-consuming part of the process. Here you have all of your assessed persons and you need to assign date 1 and date 2. So in the rows here, it should be earliest date on the top row and the later date on the second row. So I'm going to choose date 1 and date 2, and please go up to Next and do this for each assessed person that you have. So click 1 and take 2, Next. Once you have assigned your dates to your forms, please click on Continue to Assessment Home. Now that you have assigned the date numbers to the forms, we need to classify the outcomes of clients. So here you're going to choose either drop of 5 points in a scale T-score, or a scale T-score went from clinical or borderline to clinical to normal. So I'm going to choose the drop of 5 point in the scale T-score. And then I'm going to continue to Assessment Home. And then I'm going to verify the assessment and click Continue. And now I'm going to generate the chi-square assessment report. And here is the 2-page report. The chi-square report has Group 1 versus Group 2, and then the comparison tables. And this has been a video on how to create a chi-square report for the Progress and Outcomes P&O app.